No, se non dico allora, poi ti faccio sapere.
Albert Grande here. I am with
Hey, how you doing,
Vito
guys?
Iacopelli,
Welcome back.
the #1 pizza channel on YouTube.
Yes, for 5 years in a row, #1 pizza channel on YouTube.
So, tell me, Vito, what's the secret to your success?
I'm myself.
You are.
Be myself.
You're very genuine.
You saw me in person now. What do you
I
think?
do.
I'm
I
the
think
same person.
you are the same person. I was a little intimidated,
Yeah.
you know, because you're pretty famous,
I'm just,
pretty much out there.
Sometimes I'm tired, you know, I don't know. I'm not, but always I try to be myself.
What's your #1 pizza secret, Vito?
Foolish.
Okay.
The method, which I reveal on the masterclass.
Oh, absolutely. No.
Yes, tell me.
Tell me a little bit about the master class, because anyone that wants to know how to make pizza needs to
Masterclass.
take your master class.
Yeah, because the masterclass is a professional course and a home course for beginners and also for professional.
Yes.
Or if you want to become a professional, it's a both course together, and then you get a lifetime access on YouTube, on Facebook. Where
Yep.
I'm there every week, live to reply all of your questions.
So you get to ask you real questions, you
Yes.
get to interact
In
with
person,
you
we do
and
live
other
calls.
pizza makers and pizza lovers.
Yes.
So here's the big question.
Yes.
I know your master class is wonderful, but you have a lot of free videos.
Yes.
What's the difference
That's a good
between taking the master class and just watching the free YouTube videos?
The masterclass is being made, first of all, professionally, where you can see. Second of all, we take the time, A to Z, we explain A to Z, video per video, all the process. Even if you want to open a pizza place, I explain you everything what you need. Let's say you have a 2,000 square foot of pizza place, I tell you what you need. How many oven, how many seats, how many chairs, what kind of oven, all of these things.
Well, that's fantastic.
Yeah.
And I understand your master class also very professionally done.
Yeah.
You know,
You can see it's Netflix style.
I can see it over your shoulder there. It's
Yeah,
not a
that's
Mickey
how we
Mouse
do it.
kind of.
No. It's not YouTube. It's totally different from YouTube. YouTube is fast video. Yeah, you can learn, but you don't learn the process. A to Z. You cannot do it on YouTube. People get, I don't know. You don't waste like 40 minutes dedication. Those are for people that really want to learn. It's
Yes.
not for really everybody. So it's only $147 usually. But you
Yeah.
at the Pizza Expo, we're selling for $97.
Yeah.
And you get a chance to win a pizza oven.
Yeah. Oh, that's fantastic.
Some
You
people
had a
want, actually, 4 people want the pizza oven.
already. That's
Tomorrow
fantastic.
we're gonna give another 2.
That's great. That is fantastic. And tell me where your YouTube channel is.
It's Vito Iacopelli, and on YouTube.
Yep.
Just try to reach the 1 million subscribers by the end of this year.
You will, without a doubt. Without a
We'll
doubt.
get the first place tomorrow.
Yep.
I will.
Vito, thank you so much for taking time to talk to me.
No problem, my friend. Thank you.
Ciao.
Ciao.